Okay, here we are, hack number 3, and hack number 3 is about global merge fields. So if you're not familiar with what global merge fields might mean, don't worry, I'll explain. So let's get right into the screen here, into the campaign builder. So in the campaign builder, there's this great feature called merge fields. So I can come here to the actions dropdown and click merge fields and create a merge field. So in this case, I've created one called personalized information, and then I can put whatever I want in there. In this case, I've put "you are awesome" in the personalized merge field. This is a weird example, I know, but you can merge in whatever you want. The benefit to having these merge fields is that inside your sequence, in this sequence, I only have 3 emails, but let's just say I had 27 emails. There's a whole bunch of emails, and in those emails, I need to merge in that same information. So what I can do, here's my email, is I can merge in that field right there. So the way I do it is just put my cursor where I want it to merge, click the merge drop down, go scroll down to the bottom, click campaign fields, and then select the campaign merge field that I created, and it'll merge it right in there. The benefit to that is I can put that merge field into all of the emails throughout my entire sequence or the entire campaign. And then if that information ever changes, that message changes, say I've been running this campaign for 3 months and all of a sudden I realize, hey, you know what, I want to change that message that's in there. I can just go here to the merge fields. I can edit this, change it, republish my campaign. And now going forward, that message will be updated in all of the emails. I don't have to go into every single email to edit the emails, to edit the actual content, because it's already updated because it's referencing that campaign merge field. Now, sometimes when we're doing this, what we want is we want to be able to use that same merge field in other campaigns. It gets really nice. You're like, wow, this is great. I can just use this one little snippet of information right here. It can apply all throughout the campaign. But what about my other campaigns? I want to use it there as well. And of course, the campaign merge fields are specific to the individual campaigns that they're built in. So you cannot utilize them cross-campaign. But there is a way to do this, and it's really quite simple. So let's jump back in here. Let's jump out of the campaign real quick. And what we're going to do is we're going to go make a custom field. Okay, so we're going to go into our admin settings, and we'll hit contact custom fields here. And we're going to scroll to just the very bottom here. And I'll add a custom field here, and we're going to call this, again, weird example I know, but we'll call this personalized information. We'll leave it as a text field. I'll go ahead and save it. All right, now that that field is created, what we need to do is populate that field with the information that we want. Right? So back in our campaign, we'll go into this simple test campaign here. Back in our campaign, we've got people filling out this form going into that sequence where we're using the campaign merge fields, but now we're no longer going to use the campaign merge field. What we're going to use is our custom field. So I'm going to move this over. I'm going to delete our line here. I'm going to bring in a sequence and call it set field value. We're going to go in here, and we're going to use this snippet that's relatively new. It's been around, a couple of years or so. But this set field value snippet allows us to set the value of any custom field. So I'm going to scroll down and find my personalized information custom field, and I'll put in here, "You are awesome." Okay, we'll mark that from ready, or draft to ready. Make sure this is checked, override existing field value. And then we'll come back out here. Mark that ready. Come back. Let's connect these things here. And then now inside my emails, instead of using the campaign merge field, I'm just going to use that custom field and merge it in. Okay, so we'll go merge, custom fields. Scroll down to the bottom, get that personalized information custom field, and there we go. We've basically achieved the same thing, but since it's a custom field on the contact record, I can utilize that merge field in any campaign I want going forward. You just need to make sure that the value gets set. Okay, make sure the value gets set. You might want to centralize where the values get set if you're doing this a lot in one central campaign. Reference that campaign always to make sure the field values get set, and then move on with your communications. But this makes it so now, again, anytime I want to change that value, I can just come in here into the sequence, update what's being populated in that field, I can then go pull a list of all the people that have already had it populated before, manually, bulk update all their contact records if I need to, or just run them through this sequence again. Again, if that's a separate sequence in a centralized campaign, then I can just run contacts through it, and that will make sure that that value is populated in that custom field, and then I can use that custom field in any sequence, in any communication, in any campaign across the entire Infusionsoft account. So that'll save you a bunch of headache if you're really into using merge fields, which I am. I love merge fields. I love campaign merge fields, but sometimes there's a need to make those campaign merge fields be available throughout the entire all of your campaigns in your entire Infusionsoft account. And so by using a custom field and using the set value snippet, you can make that happen. All right, stay tuned for hack number 4 coming up soon.